Hey guys, this is Christian from MTS Offroad. Today we're going to be talking about our Pro R front limit strap kit. This also fits on the Pro S and the Turbo R. There's a lot of great reasons why you should run limit straps on your side-by-side. Oftentimes, when you get aftermarket valving in your shocks, one of the main goals is to speed up the rebound to keep the tires planted on the ground at all times when you're riding. Through whoops or when you go off a lip of a jump, it's very important to make sure that your shocks droop out in time to catch the car. A common side effect of this is you'll hear a loud clunking sound as your shocks go to full droop. Essentially what that sound is it's your piston hitting against your seal head, or the internals of the shocks are connecting as the shocks fully droop out. Limit straps are a great way to prevent that noise and keep your shocks nice and healthy. They also help protect your CV axles. We definitely recommend running limit straps on all your side-by-sides, but especially if you have aftermarket suspension or valving, it's always a great option to run limit straps. These are available right now at mtsoffroad.com or any one of our local dealers near you. We also have an install video on our YouTube, which you can check out right now.